Welcome to the Autocad manual. Today we are going to draw this figure. So first, I'll begin by drawing 6 circles from a common center point. So the first circle has a diameter of 52 millimeters. So I'll select the center diameter option. Then I'll type in 52, press enter. The second circle has a diameter of 90 millimeters. So I'll type in 90, press enter. The third circle has a diameter of 128. Again, from the same common center point, I'll type in 128 and press enter. The fourth circle has a diameter of 160 degrees. So again, I'll type in 160 and press enter. The fifth has a diameter of 192. Again, from this same center point, I'll type in 192 and press enter. And finally, the last circle has a diameter of 216 millimeters. So I'll type in 216, press enter. Now let us draw a vertical line through the common center point that will act as a reference line. Therefore, select the line command and draw this line from this point to this point down here. Now let us draw a line from the common center point to the right that will make an angle of 30 degrees with this vertical reference line. So I'll turn on the dynamic mode and then I'll select the line command. For that, I'll select this point here to be the first point of the line. Then I'll drag this line up to this point until I get an angle of 60. So I'll click enter. Now apply the mirror command to this line that we've just drawn so that it can be mirrored to the upper half of the drawing. Therefore, select the mirror command. Then I'll select this line, press enter. Then I'll select this point here to be the first point of the mirror line, and this point to be the second point of the mirror line, and then press enter. Now I will draw these two circles at this point here on the fourth circle. The first one has a radius of 16 millimeters. Therefore, I will select the center radius option. And then I'll draw this line at this point here. So I'll type in 16 and press enter. And the second one has a radius of 28 millimeters. Therefore, from this same center point, I'll now type in 28 and press enter. Now I'll use the mirror command to move these two circles to the left side. Therefore, I'll select the mirror command. Then I'll select these two circles. Press enter. For that, I'll select this point here to be the first point of the mirror line, and this point to be the second point of the mirror line. Then press enter. Again, let us draw a small circle of 14 millimeter radius down here on the fourth circle. So I'll draw a circle of 14 millimeter radius at this point here. Therefore, I'll select the center radius option. Then I'll mark this point to be the center point of the circle, and now I'll type in 14 and press enter. And also I will draw a 28 millimeter radius circle from the same last center point. So type in 28 and press enter. Now use the mirror command so that these two circles that you have just drawn can be mirrored to the left side. Therefore, select the mirror command. Then I'll select these two circles, press enter. For that, I'll select this point to be the first point of the mirror line, and this one to be the second point of the mirror line, and press enter. Now let us draw a small circle of 10 millimeter radius at this point here by using the tangent radius option. Therefore, I'll select the tangent radius option. Then I'll select this point and this point here. Then I'll type in 10 and press enter. After that, let us distribute the 10 millimeter radius circle to their respective positions by using the mirror command. Therefore, I'll select the mirror command. Then I'll select this circle here and press enter. After that, I'll select this point to be the first point of the mirror line, this one to be the second point of the mirror line, and press enter. And then I will select the mirror command again This time I'll select both of these two circles, this one and this one, to press enter again, and I'll select this point to be the first point of the mirror line. Just like that. Now let us trim all the parts that we don't need. So I'll select the trim command, to press enter. Then I'll start by trimming this side here. Then I'll trim this one. Now for the parts that cannot be trimmed, let us just add them. So I'll select them manually like this. Then press erase. Oh, I forgot to add this one. So I'll select the last command again. Now I will have to erase these ones down here. Then I'll trim this part of these circles here. Now I will draw a circle of 132mm diameter from this center point. Therefore, I will select the center diameter option. And now from this center point, I'll type in 132 to press enter. And then again, draw another circle of 188mm diameter from the same center point. So type in 188mm, press enter. And then again, let us trim the parts that we don't need. Therefore, select the trim command to press enter. Then I'll start trimming. So press enter, and for the parts that you can't trim, let us just add them. So I'll manually select them, and I will add them, all of them. And now let us draw these two side lines. So select the line command. Draw this line from this point up to this point. Press enter. I'll also draw this line again from this point to this point. Press enter. Finally, let us apply the hatch patterns. Therefore, select the hatch command, and I'll apply this one here, the ANSI 31. So I'll click on that one. Then I'll click on this point for drawing. Now I will change the angle of the hatch patterns from 0 to, I'll type in 84. then press enter. And as you can see, we are done.